we have this laptop that we are going to be upgrading the RAM. So right now we currently have 8. We are going to add another 8 right now. So we'll just remove it from the cover. So now we have it out of the cover. You just want to make sure that you align the notches together. You see, if you do it like that, that's not right. So this one has to go in the other way. So here we just need to put it in there. You should see that the pins disappear if it's put in the right way. Then you just have to snap it into place and you are done.